Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of electric power with Zero Motorcycles, a brand that's changing the way we look at two-wheel transport. Zero Motorcycles, founded in California, is known for building high-performance electric bikes that combine innovation, style, and serious speed. Whether you're commuting through the city or cruising on the highway, these bikes deliver instant torque, smooth acceleration, and a whisper-quiet ride, all without a drop of fuel. One of their most popular models, the Zero SRF, offers a top speed of around 124 miles per hour and can go from 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds. It features a powerful Z-Force motor and a battery range of up to 200 miles with the optional power tank. That's performance and efficiency, all wrapped into one sleek machine. Charging is also super convenient. With fast charging capabilities, you can get up to 95% battery in just an hour. Plus, there's no need for oil changes or clutch maintenance, making it cheaper and easier to maintain over time. Zero has also packed in some smart tech, like their Cypher 3 Plus operating system, which allows for customization and over-the-air updates. You can even connect the bike to your smartphone to monitor performance and battery status in real time. So whether you're an adrenaline junkie or an eco-conscious rider, Zero Motorcycles offers the best of both worlds, power and sustainability. If you're thinking about going electric, this might be the perfect ride for your next adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome bike content. Let us know in the comments,